Hello to all. So today we are discussing about the new feature launched by the Turns, and the feature is reweighing. As you all know, reweighing is the most useful feature in laundromat industry. It helps to keep the track of orders weight. In a reweighing feature, we can keep the orders weight before processing, after processing, and also when the order is delivered to the customer. Okay, to demonstrate the reweighing feature, we have our setup, and in our setup, this is our IMIN device, as you can see, and this is the cash register connected to the device. And the most important component we have is our weighing machine. This is Mettler Toledo weighing machine. Let's connect this to the device. A very simple process to connect. And as you can see, this is connected. The pop-up is already showing up. Okay, so let's demonstrate this feature by creating a new order. So this is our new order. Let's assume we have a customer named James. Take an item and let's get the weight by putting our basket on the weighing scale. As you can see, this is 4 lbs, and we can get this weight by just clicking on this icon, and this is our weight. Add to order, charge later, proceed. Our order is created. As you all know, our order is created. Now let's make this start processing, and it's asking for the weight when we are going to process this order. So let's weight the order. It's 4 lbs, and we get the order by this icon. Let's save this. And as you know, the order is now in processing. Okay, let's make this order ready for delivery, and you can see the pop-up is already shows up. Let's put our basket on the weighing scale and just save the weight. Okay, so now we are going to complete our order. So tap on the complete icon, and it is asking to reweigh the order. Let's get the basket and put this on the weighing scale. Okay, the order is completed now. Okay, so as you know, we have completed the order, so we can check the weighing history from the order list. This was our order, and from there we can check the weighing history, and this is the icon. So here's the weighing history step by step, like before processing, after processing, on completion. You can track your weight on every status. Okay, so we can close this, and the demonstration is completed. So this was the demonstration of the reweighing feature. For more help, kindly visit the turnsapp.com. Thank you.